Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how right join can perform in SQL statements. In similar way, we have seen till now in earlier sessions how to implement the SQL inner join statements by using the left join. We have seen on earlier session. In the left place, I am making it as a keyword of RIGHT, right join. That's it. There is a session, inner join session is there. We have clearly in detail explained about the statements, how you can accumulate the A statement and from clause using first table and the second table, how we are going to joining and grouping the data, how it is. The right join, what it will do is, there is in a tables, assume that table A and B. The left join will do what we have discussed earlier, and the left part of the whole data and the right matched data, if it is not matched, null representing and the complete data will comes as an output data rows. In the right join, quite quietly opposite to left join, it's a table of right side where we are writing is in a join statement here. It will be treated as in a right table, and the left part of the table which is treated as in a left part, like a left table, means it's the right join. If I am implementing, this is the whole table data will come as an output. If it is not matched rows any in customer table, it will treat it as a null and it will be returns the data. That is the major differences and functionality about the right join. Just simply I have a mentioned here is in a right join and executing the query here. Now see, second, it's not highlighted everything. Yeah, now the query is executed successfully and result set is here. Very simple statements. The joins concept, once you have understand, it's a very like a basic part. You need to know what is the logic behind to fetch the data from different tables. All right, now see here, I'll show you a simple description about it. And if you want to check whether what are the columns are null from order or customer ID, we will check now, which are not matched and even return the null value. Like you have to implement where clause here and c dot customer ID. Customer ID is null. That key, if it is null, then even if it is returned or not, we will see nothing. Everything is matching with the order ID, like orders table, and similarly we will check with the order ID also. O dot order underscore ID. It's not dash, it's an underscore. Let's check it. Nothing. Everything is matching. So the right join table is matching with the orders table is matching with the complete customer table. So there is a null value at all. Everything is matching. So nothing is an empty rows to identify over here. Just simply as much as simply the query is running here successfully, executing the statement, and we are able to getting with a right join statement the appropriately the data. As much as pretty easy. I hope you understand to write a simple joins like a left join, right join, inner join, and full outer join, and all. The joins concept is very much pretty easy to understand. And if you are having any clarifications and suggestions you may require, you go through one more time again these sessions and having a good idea and good knowledge about to use joins. I hope you better understand. Thank you for watching these sessions. Thank you.